excuse me. Sai Ram students. Sai Ram everyone.
Sairam ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So in our last class we were discussing about exercise 2.5. Excuse me. Question number
Fifth.
up to question number
Fifth.
5, I think 6.
5,
Ma'am, fifth.
5th, 5th.
6 we have to discuss today, right? So let's
Yes,
watch.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
before
ma'am.
before starting it, excuse me once again. Who wants to be the monitor for today's class? Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
did you get chance before it to be the monitor of the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you are the monitor for today's class and you are knowing now what you have to do, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just give me few seconds. I am going to share my screen. Okay.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
ma'am, I got a message from Pujit that Pujit and Rajvardhan is trying to join the class.
So but they are not able to join, is it? Are they
Yes,
joining
ma'am.
from some other ID? It may be because of that क्योंकि हाँ इसमें आ रहा है हेमंत रघुवंशी is trying to join but I did not permit him because he is joining from outside.
Yes, ma'am. I'm getting
No,
message
ma'am, I
from
joined it.
Pujit that Rajvardhan and he is trying to join the meeting.
Okay. So what's the problem? They are trying, then why they are not able to join? What's the message?
Ma'am, let me ask.
Okay. Till then we will start it. Is it coming? You are presenting everyone. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Janvi, is the screen is clearly visible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we have to discuss the sixth question of exercise 2.5 that write the following cubes in expanded form. Now here the question is given in the form of cubic identity and we have to expand it. So from here you can see 2x plus 1 whole cube. We have to expand it. So here we will use a plus b whole cube. That identity we will use. So let's see the identity. Here it is given in the form of x and y children, but I will suggest you should write it in the form of a and b. Why? Because in our question we are having the variable x. Okay. So write the identity. First write the question, then you write the identity. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this is the identity which we are going to use to expand this question. Okay. So after writing this identity, we can compare. So as I told you to write it in the form of a and b. So now I am comparing with a and b only. So a is equals to 2x and b is equals to 1. Right children? So right here इसको कंपेयर करेंगे तो a और b की जगह पर हम 2x and 1 लिखते जाएंगे. So 2x plus 1 whole cube we will get as a cube. So what is a here? 2x. So cube of 2x plus b cube. What is b here? 1. So cube of 1, right? Plus 3ab. So 3 into a. What is a here? 2x into b. What is b? 1 into a plus b. So what is a here? 2x plus what is b? 1. In that way we will arrange all the terms and after solving it, after simplifying it, what do we get? Let's see. Cube of 2 is 8 and cube of x is x cube. So here what do we get? 8x cube, right? And plus cube of 1. So cube of 1 is 1 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1, that is 6x. So 6x into 2x plus 1. Now this two terms will come as it is 8x cube, और ये plus का 1 है, so it is written here at the end, and here we will multiply this 6x inside the bracket. So what will we get, children? 6 2s are 12, x into x, x square. So we get 12x square plus 6x into 1, so we will get 6x. Now why we have written 1 here at the end? इसके पास ही क्यों नहीं लिख दिया हमने? Yes, anyone can tell
Ma'am,
me?
because we are yes, ma'am, because we are arranging them by their degrees.
Yes, very good. Who have answered?
Ma'am, Rama.
Rama, very good, Rama, well done. Yes, as I told you beta कि we should try to write it in a proper way, in the standard way. So either in the decreasing हाँ decreasing order में या फिर हम increasing order में लिखेंगे. So as 1 is constant term, there is no variable with this 1. So if we are writing in the decreasing order, so cube term, then square वाली term, फिर x वाली term, and then without x वाली term. So here now it is arranged in standard form. So here this is the solution, this is the expanded form of given question. Do you have any problem in this beta? Anyone? Janvi?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so can we start the next part? Now let's
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the second part. The second part of this question is 2a minus 3b whole cube. है ना? So this part also I will explain. Let's see. Now here in between the sign of minus is given. तो अब क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में हमारे वेरिएबल्स क्या है? We are having here a and b. So then we will write the identity in the form of x and y. Right, children? ये ध्यान रखना बेटा. देखो वेरिएबल हमारे क्वेश्चन के और आइडेंटिटी के अगर हम सेम रखेंगे तो कंपैरिजन में दिक्कत होती है, वो सही तरीका नहीं है ना? ओके. So here now the question is given in the form of a and b. So we will write it the identity in the form of x and y. So we can see here it is looking like x minus y whole cube. So we are using this identity here. X minus y whole cube is equals to, what is the identity? This is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So this is the identity. Now just compare the given question with the LHS of this identity. So here what do we get beta? X is equals to 2a and y is equals to Janvi?
3B.
3b, very good. So here now we have got, now just put the values. A 2a minus 3b whole cube is equals to, ये x का क्यूब मतलब किसका क्यूब आ जाएगा? 2a का क्यूब. x कौन है हमारा इस क्वेश्चन में? 2a. So cube of 2a minus cube of y. What is y here? 3b. So cube of 3b minus 3xy. So minus 3 तो ये इसी का हो गया आइडेंटिटी का, इनटू x क्या है? 2a. y क्या है? 3b. So we have got here 3 into 2a into 3b into in bracket x minus y. So what is x? 2a minus what is y? 3b. So 2a minus 3b. So here we have got, children, we have arranged the terms in the form of identity. Now let's solve it, simplify it. What do we get? Cube of 2a is 8a cube minus, as it is, cube of 3b is 27b cube minus, इसको solve करोगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 3 2s are 6, 3s are 18, तो 18 and a into b, ab. So here we have got minus 18ab into 2a minus 3b as it is in the bracket. Now these two terms तो हम as it is लिख देंगे. ये 8a cube minus 27b cube हमने ऐसे लिखा. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो माइनस 18ab का अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इसका मल्टीप्लाई 2a के साथ भी होगा और माइनस 3b के साथ भी होगा. सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई. सो माइनस 18ab इंटू 2a. तो पहले तो साइन देखो बेटा, साइन का ध्यान रखना है. यहाँ माइनस यहाँ प्लस, तो आंसर विल कम विथ माइनस साइन. right? And 18 twos are 36 and a into a हो जाएगा a square, so you will get minus 36 a square and b as it is, so 36 a square b, right? अब यहाँ पे देखो माइनस 18 ए बी का माइनस 3b के साथ करेंगे तो माइनस इंटू माइनस हो जाएगा प्लस, 18 3s are 54, a as it is, b into b you will get b square, so you will get here 54 a b square minus this term we have written at the last. अब ये ऐसा क्यों, किसी को ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ये b में तो क्यूब है फिर इसको क्यों लास्ट लिखा? इससे प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में आपने कांस्टेंट को लास्ट में लिखा था. Anyone can explain?
मैम
हाँ, yes बेटा.
क्योंकि वो नेगेटिव इंटीजर है, नेगेटिव है
No.
मैम वो.
No, this term is also with negative sign, so इसको तो हमने सेकंड नंबर पे ही लिखा है. सोचो.
पर मैम वो क्यूब भी है ना.
मैम because we are arranging.
हाँ रामा, you are. हाँ. Yes बेटा.
Ma'am, because we are arranging them according to degree of A.
Yes, very good. क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे a के फॉर्म में पहले अरेंज किया है तो यू कैन सी a क्यूब वाली टर्म हमने लिखी है, फिर a स्क्वायर वाली टर्म लिखी है, फिर सिर्फ a वाली टर्म लिखी है और उसके बाद वो टर्म लिखी है जिसमें कि a नहीं है, राइट? इन दैट वे वी हैव अरेंज्ड. ओके, so here we have got the solution or expanded form of this 2a minus 3b whole cube. Is there any problem with this question to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Are you writing parallelly in your notebook?
Yes,
Follow?
ma'am.
You are solving it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just solve the third part of this question within 2 minutes. I am giving you 2 minutes. Just solve it. 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. You just solve it, then I will show you the solution. You can check then whether you did it right or not. I am giving you 2 minutes. Just solve it. Are you solving, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What identity you are going to use there, beta?
Ma'am, sixth identity.
Ma'am, x plus
A
one
plus
whole
B
cube.
whole cube. X plus Y.
X plus y whole cube.
Okay. So in which term you will write it? आइडेंटिटी x प्लस वाई होल क्यूब लिखोगे कि अभी किसी एक ही बच्चे ने जवाब दिया मुझे a प्लस बी होल क्यूब. इन कोरस आई कुड नॉट आइडेंटिफाई द वॉइस, अदरवाइज मुझे आवाज से थोड़ा पता. किसने बोला था a प्लस बी होल क्यूब?
Ma'am, Nakul.
हाँ, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. हाँ, I have sent feedback also Nakul for your PPT. I have seen excellent work done by you. है ना? At the time of revision we will take that PPT. You will have to explain through that PPT only, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, very good. हाँ, so I think now 2 minutes are over. All of you must have done it. Have you done it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so let's check your solution. Have you got this solution? This is the question. So you have compared it with a plus b whole cube, then you have got a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So let's see the expanded form. ये इसको solve करेंगे तो 3 by 2 x का cube. So after solving you will get 27 by 8 x cube plus cube of 1 is 1. 3 into a 3 by 2 x into b is 1 into a plus b is 3 by 2 x plus 1, and after solving it you have got this answer 27 by 8 x cube plus 27 by 4 x square. इसमें किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? देखो ये कैसे होगा, 9 3 जार 27, 2 2 जार 4 इंटू एक्स हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर। यहाँ अगर कुछ सिंप्लीफाई होता तो हम कर देते, लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है और इधर 9 और 3 है, तो नथिंग कैन बी simplified, so we have to just multiply it. So 9 3s are 27, 2 2s are 4, and x into x we have got x square, and then 9 by 2x into 1, so we will get 9 by 2x and then plus 1. So this is the expanded form or expansion for this given question 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so I think now this question is clear to you. Here you have to use either a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Now the last part I am not going to show you, that is I am giving you for homework. I know only 4 parts are there. I am coming back to the meeting. Yes, coming back to you children. I hope you have got it. आ गया ना समझ में सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Well done, very good. Is there any problem up to this question to anyone? Yes, Nakul, do you want to say something? Okay, very good. So can we start the next question? Now tell me children, what would you like? तुम वीडियो देखना पसंद करोगे कि अभी जैसे एक्सप्लेन किया था वो पीडीएफ देखना पसंद करोगे? अभी दोनों तरह से मेरे पास है एक्सप्लेनेशन को, जैसा एज पर योर चॉइस। यस
मैम वीडियो।
ओके
मैम वीडियो।
ओके, सो लेट्स वॉच द वीडियो फॉर 7th क्वेश्चन। ओके बेटा, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द वीडियो, है ना, फॉर द 7th question, question number 7. Again I am going to present my screen, just give me few seconds only. Yes, is it coming? You are presenting your screen, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, ये स्क्रीन पे अभी दिख रहा है, I'll make it on full screen, but first अभी दिख रहा है तो ठीक है, और वॉइस एक बार सुन लो, then
तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में क्या रहा है?
ऑडिबल है?
Ma'am audible है।
Okay. So let's see children, here your question number 7 is evaluate the following using suitable identities. Now this type of question you did for square also, है ना? तो 99 का स्क्वायर जैसे किया था तो 100 minus 1 लिख के, तो there you have used the identity for square. Now here we are finding cube. Now again let me tell you very clearly students, here 99 cube you have to find, it means you have to find it by using identities only, right? यहाँ पर तुम डायरेक्ट 3 times मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर ला दोगे तो you will get 0 mark. Here we are not going to check your multiplication skills, we want in 9th standard कि how you are using the suitable identity to find its value. Okay, so according to question, अच्छा identities वही लगेगी as here, यहाँ पर हम cube को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. So as 99, so 99 can be written as 100 minus 1, right? तो 100 minus 1 अगर हम इसको लिख सकते हैं तो you will get 100 minus 1 whole cube. Then you will compare it with this identity x minus y whole cube. So when you are comparing it, then x will become 100 and y will become 1, right? और अगर ये 102 वाला करोगे तो 102 how can you write it? You can write it like 100 plus 2, then there you will use a plus b whole cube. Okay, so let's watch it.
Evaluate the following using suitable identities. जो भी हमें दिया गया है, ये प्रॉब्लम्स दी गई हैं, उनको हमें वैल्यू निकालनी है, ठीक है, आइडेंटिटीज का यूज करते हुए। सो फर्स्ट से शुरू कर रहे हैं। फर्स्ट है 99 की क्यूब। सो 99 को सबसे पहले हम इस तरह से लिखेंगे ताकि इस पर कोई आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई की जा सके। सो 99 क्या होता है? 99 होता है 100 माइनस में 1। अगर हम 100 में से 1 को माइनस कर दें तो आ जाएगा 99। और यहाँ पर क्या है? 99 की क्यूब, तो ये भी 99 है और इसकी क्यूब। ठीक।
Yes, as you are knowing children, why do we write it in the nearest 100 or 1000? क्योंकि 100,000 या टेंस इसका स्क्वायर क्यूब या कोई और पावर भी निकालनी हो तो इट्स वेरी इजी, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई व्हाटएवर नंबर इज गिवन टू अस वी ट्राई टू राइट इट इन नियरेस्ट 100 और 1000 और टेंस, इसमें प्लस या माइनस करके उस फॉर्म में हम इसको शो करते हैं। क्योंकि 100 का क्यूब भी लिखना है तो इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू, you need not multiply it 3 times directly, आपको पता है कि 6 zeros you will write after this, so this calculation becomes easier, so that's why we break it like 100 minus 100 plus or 1000 minus 1000 plus, इस फॉर्म में हम लिखते हैं। okay, so here 99 is written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. now for this we will use this identity. अब मैं इसका solution आगे play नहीं करूंगी, you people just solve it by using this identity. Your x is 100 and y is 1. Solve it in your notebook. After you solve, then I show you the solution. आप solve कर लो, उसके बाद मैं solution आपको बताऊंगी. Start solving in your notebook. Just 2 minutes I am giving. After you complete it, just let me know.
और x है
Have you solved it, beta?
हमारा 100, x है 100 तो 100 की क्यूब 100 की पावर
Janvi? Monitor?
Ma'am, I have done. Yes. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, very good. What about others? Those who have completed, just write it done in your chat box so that Janvi can convey the message.
Ma'am, Sajid, Nilay, Pragya, Ratika, Shubham, and Pujit, Sajid,
Okay, many,
Nakul,
very good.
me.
Okay, many of them have solved. Okay, so let's check your answer, children. I am going to play it.
Ma'am, Akshita also.
ठीक है तो
Okay, very good.
1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros आ जाएंगे इसमें 100 की क्यूब, ठीक है। उसके बाद माइनस 1 की क्यूब 1 ही होगा तो माइनस साइन एज इट इज आएगा। उसके बाद क्या है 3 को अगर हम 3 को 100 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 300 और 300 को फिर से 1 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 300 ही रहेगा, ठीक है। 300 तो ब्रैकेट में है हमारा 100 माइनस 1 माइनस और 99 को 3 से जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सॉरी 300 से जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये आएगा 20 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसको इस तरह से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए 99 को आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, ठीक है। और जो 2 जीरोस हैं वो इसके जो भी आंसर आएगा उसके पीछे हमें लगा देना है। तो 99 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आएगा 297 और 2 जीरोस ये बचेंगे ये यहाँ पर लगा देंगे। अब ये -1 माइनस में है और ये भी 29700 भी माइनस में है, यानी कि ये दोनों जो है ऐड हो जाएंगे और साइन रहेगा माइनस का, ठीक है। तो पहले ये आ जाएगा हमारा 1000000 और इन दोनों को ऐड करें।
How will you read this number? Yes. Pragya, how will you
Ma'am,
read
10 lakh.
this number? Yes, very good. Who have answered?
Ma'am, Janvi.
Who have answered, beta? Okay, Janvi, very good. And in international system, how will you read it? 10 lakhs, it is in Indian system. In international,
Ma'am, 1 million.
yes,
One.
yes, very good. Who
Ma'am,
answered?
Shubham's out.
Very good, Shubham. Okay.
लेकिन साइन में क्या रहेगा -9, क्यों दोनों को ऐड करने का रहेगा
After adding these two, what will you get?
701 इसमें
29,700.
से जब इसको माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर आ जाएगा, जो होगा हमारा 97099। ठीक है, यही हो जाएगा हमारा फाइनल।
You should check your answer, है ना? You should subtract this 29,701 from this 10 lakhs or 1 million. ठीक है, इसमें से इसको माइनस करेंगे, सो दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर। अच्छा होता क्या है, कई बार जल्दी जल्दी हम माइनस करने जाते हैं ना तो गलती हो जाती है। तो इस तरह जब बहुत सारे जीरोस हैं तो इंस्टेड ऑफ सॉल्विंग इट रो वाइज, बेटर यू विल सॉल्व इट इन कॉलम वाइज। इस तरह से लिख के अगर एक के नीचे एक करोगे ना तो गलती नहीं होगी, एग्जाम में टाइम बचेगा। ओके, so it was the first part of this question. Let's watch the another part.
अब देखते हैं सेकंड में हमें दिया गया है 102 की क्यूब, यानी कि 102 की क्यूब। सो 102 को हम लिखेंगे 100 प्लस में 2। ठीक है, 100 में 2 प्लस कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा 102। ठीक है, और यहाँ पर 102 की क्यूब है तो इसकी भी कर देंगे हम क्यूब। अब ये किस फॉर्म में आ गया है? x प्लस वाई की होल क्यूब की फॉर्म में। ठीक है, जहाँ पर x की वैल्यू 100 है और y की वैल्यू 2, तो इसे हम एक्सटेंडेड फॉर्म, इस फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले क्या हो रखा है? x की क्यूब यानी कि 100 की क्यूब, तो 100 की क्यूब।
Okay, this question also you should solve it by your own. Do it fast within now 1 minute. You have got here identity, how to break, that is also given here. 102 can be written 100 plus 2 whole cube. So now compare it with this identity. X plus y whole cube लगाओगे इसमें तो you will get x cube plus y cube plus 3xy plus x plus y. Okay, so x is 100, y is 2. Now write it and solve it.
आंसर अब देखते हैं।
Yes, so you should check your answer here. Have you done it? Yes, monitor.
Ma'am, Pujit, the Nakul. Ma'am, Pujit, Nakul. Rama,
Okay,
Open Meena,
okay. Okay.
Shubham,
So you
Pragya.
can check your answer. Those who have done, they should check their answer, and those who are getting any problem, they can go through from here. Just put the value in the identity and just solve. ज़्यादा तो इसमें numerical part ही है. So 102 into 600, तो put 2 zeros, then multiply 6 with 102. You will get 612. Then after reading all this, this is your final answer. So what is the answer? Read it, someone. Nilay, read this answer.
Ma'am, 10,61,208.
Okay, very good. Okay. So now third part, I think you are able to solve it. Now I am coming back to you. Yes, Shiva. So I hope you have got both the questions properly, isn't it? Yes, if you have got, then write yes in chat box. If you have got both the questions, how to solve it, then write yes in chat box. Very good. Ratika, Pujit, Shubham, Nakul, Sajid, Pragya, Hitendra. Well done, children. Very well done. Myra, Rama, Swarnim, Upendra, Gunika, Mukund. Okay, Janvi, Akshita, Ayush. Well done. Nilay. Very good. Where is Akshita, beta? Akshita, just unmute yourself and talk to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita, how are you, beta?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Aditi and Hemant. Okay. Now, are you able to join the classes properly?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about Akshara?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Oh, okay. So tell her to join the classes, है ना? Yes, Janvi, do you know about her?
नो मैम, मैं अपनी सिस्टर को कह रही थी.
अच्छा, ओके. ठीक है बेटा. Akshita, it's good to see you in the class. Now be regular, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very well done. I have seen many of you have answered yes, है ना? So it's very good. चलो बेटा, अभी next question. Should we start it today or you want to take it in next class? बताओ.
Ma'am, next class.
Okay. So next question is already given in the expanded form and you have to factorize it. अब तुम्हें पता है factorize कैसे करते हैं, right? तो हाँ, okay शुभम, I will take it in next class. You need not leave the. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन और इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म एंड वी विल फैक्टराइज इट बाय यूजिंग द आइडेंटिटी, सुटेबल आइडेंटिटी व्हाटसोएवर इट इज. So just go through the questions at least and revise questions regularly whatever we are doing every day. Okay children? Up to this, do you have any problem? Anyone regarding to anything? Yes, Bhupendra. How are you beta? भूपेंद्र से भी बात नहीं हुई है.
Yes,
हाँ
ma'am.
भूपेंद्र, how are you?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Now are you attending the classes regularly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Are you getting the questions whatever we are solving here?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you revising it at home also?
Yes.
Means at home only you are studying, means for your revision purpose are you doing it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Swarnim, what about you beta?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you studying maths?
Ma'am, after class.
After class, okay. How do you study? What's your procedure?
Ma'am, first we revise formula.
Okay. And
then do work in our classwork copy.
Acha, okay. Same day are you revising the questions whatever we are doing here?
Ma'am, sometimes same day or sometimes next day.
Okay, very good. Hitendra, what about you?
Ma'am, I learned. I revise formula and then do exercise and then using of partition.
Okay. One thing I will suggest you children, as I told you to write all the formulas or all the identities at one place. So if you have written till this exercise is going on every day before solving any question of this exercise, at once at least you should read it. एक बार सिर्फ पढ़ लो, रोज रोज लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Wherever you have written it, just read it at once before you solve the question. तो क्या होगा, तुम्हें सारी आइडेंटिटीज अपने आप याद हो जाएंगी. जस्ट लाइक टेबल यू वर डूइंग इन योर प्रीवियस क्लासेस ना, फर्स्ट एलकेजी यूकेजी में या फर्स्ट में जब तुमने टेबल सीखे होंगे ऐसे ही करते होंगे ना, रोज रोज बुलवाते होंगे ना टीचर्स भी और घर पर भी आपसे बुलवाते होंगे रोज रोज टेबल्स, तो तुम्हें टेबल याद हो गए. तो फॉर्मूला के लिए भी यही सबसे अच्छा है तरीका कि जब भी तुम पढ़ने बैठो और अगर किसी अपने घर में किसी ऐसे प्लेस पे लिख सकते हो जहां पर से तुम बार बार निकलते हो, उस जगह पर वो फॉर्मूला पेस्ट करके रख लो और आते जाते उसको सिर्फ रीड कर लो एक बार, तो तुम्हें अपने आप ही याद हो जाएंगे. तुम्हें कोई एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स नहीं करने पड़ेंगे आइडेंटिटीज के लिए. एंड दिस इज एप्लीकेबल नॉट ओनली फॉर मैथ्स, इवन इफ इन साइंस यू आर हैविंग एनी आइडेंटिटीज या फॉर्मूला या इस तरह से कुछ है तो तुम ऐसे कीवर्ड्स या फॉर्मूला आइडेंटिटीज तुम इस तरह से लिख के अपने आप याद कर सकते हो, अलग से एफर्ट्स नहीं करने होंगे. ओके, so that's all for today from my side. If you wish to ask anything, you can ask. Anything? Okay. So can we conclude today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Sai Ram, take care of yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Be home. Stay
Sai Ram,
happy and healthy. एक बार अपना वीडियो ऑन करो सब जल्दी से, और वीडियो ऑन करके साई राम बोलो. Then you leave the meeting.
Saira ma'am.
Saira,
Okay,
ma'am.
Sai Ram.
Saira ma'am. Saira ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sai Ram, everyone.
Saira ma'am. Saira ma'am.
Okay. Sai Ram.
Thank you, ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Sai Ram. Okay, Sai Ram children.